Okay, here we go. Burp contest between Katie and Ashley. She's got wild cherry Pepsi. She's got Mountain Dew.
Okay, this is failing.
I would have gone long when I started laughing.
Chug, 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 chug.
Feel this.
Oh my god. Look at this.
You're still chugging yours?
Feel this. We just bought this.
You chugged the living hell out of that.
Feel it.
Wow.
I can literally pour it down my throat.
Oh, wow.
Ready? This is gonna be a fail. Hold on, I can feel it. I can't burp!
Yes, you can. You can do it.
Okay, I haven't even burped and I just chugged this whole thing. If this isn't
I had
epic,
like
I'm gonna
4
cry.
extra long bursts, but I couldn't stop. But I had to stop because I started laughing.
Come on!
Hey, hold on.
Alright. Not working. Oh, it's gonna make me pee. Stop. Yeah. What happened to me?
This is exhausting.
Come on, you gotta burp sometime.
Okay, this has gotta work.
You don't know how to like burp on will?
No, I can't. I can't do it.
You must be tired.
I am.
You must be exhausted.
From running around and belching. Okay. I'm an epic failure. I just chugged an entire soda and I have not burped once.
And I'm still burping.
I know. Well, you had an entire Sierra Mist before that.
You should have had a
You
Mountain
should
Dew
pause
like
it
her.
until I tell you to start. Damn it!
That was good.
That was good.
Oh!
I'm sitting here trying not to pee my
Oh my god.
That was epic!
She wins. She wins. Oh my god.
There's nothing left!
Oh god.
Oh god.
Sweating now. Can someone give me my sweatshirt, please?
Oh god, that was